Hi everyone, it's Lori from Enchanted Dream 71 and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all happy, healthy, and blessed today, and I want to thank you all for being here and supporting my small channel. So today I wanted to actually come on and post this video a little bit early, but I am joining in a collaboration that is hosted by Jovi at Creating with Jovi and Sierra at Coulee's Craft Corner, and this is hashtag Cooking Up a Journal collaboration, and this will start on February the 1st and run through the whole month of February. So yeah, I just wanted to put this video out there so that you could see Jovi's kit. She does have a kit called Cooking Up a Journal available in her Etsy shop, and that link will be in the description box below. And she also has some freebies available that can be found in her Facebook group, Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts, and that link will also be in the description box below. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys time to run over there if you wanted to join me and Jovi and Sarah and all the other wonderful collaborators throughout the month of February. You would have time to go and get the kit, as well as go to her Facebook group and get the freebies. So I will do a flip through of her kit. Like I said, I did not print the freebies, but I also have a good bit of vintage ephemera that I will be adding to this journal, and this journal is going to end up being a gift for my oldest daughter, Angela. So this right here is one of the pages, and it is actually on a light cardstock. So originally I had thought about doing this in a Reader's Digest, but the pages are pretty much full pages. Almost borderless, but not quite. I printed these before I knew how to print borderless on my HP. I did manage to get these borderless somehow, but anyway, they're going to be too big for the Reader's Digest. So actually what I was thinking is making this my journal cover and having this as the front or the outside and this as the inside. Probably going to glue it together, and then I was thinking about actually laminating it, because you know, if you're going to have it in the kitchen, on the stove, or next to the stove, or on the counter, that way it will not get, I mean, if you get something splashed on it, you can just wipe it off if it's been laminated. So I'm thinking this is going to be my cover. So that is 2 pages, and I have already backed all of these. There's our front cover. It will be a page in our journal. These are so vibrant. I love these. To me, this gives like a 60s vibe. 50s or 60s. Really do love it. Look at that. Love the floor. Love all these colors she used. Absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to use them. Make this journal for my daughter, so I think she will get a real kick out of it. It's gonna be, and it looks like there's another one of those. I must have liked that page. Gonna be lots of it's gonna be kind of a, I guess you would call a semi-naked journal, because I want to make sure to leave her. This is one where I was just playing around with my printer, just trying to look at different sizes. That's when I was trying to print borderless. And then we have this right here, so I may end up using that for something, who knows. And then this is the ephemera part of the kit. But yeah, what was I saying? I just lost. Oh, semi-naked, because I want her to be able to put, and I did back these, a lot of her own recipes in here. So it's probably going to have lots of tucks and different things like that. That way, tucks and pockets that are blank, so that she can put her own stuff in there. And then these little journaling cards, she can write, you know, short recipes on those or what have you. And then there's some more recipe cards. Those are really cute. Those would be cute to, like, close up an envelope or something, even though I've printed on the back of it. But yeah, so that is the kit minus the freebies. in her Facebook group. I will hopefully get those printed before I do this video. And then this right here is just some of the different vintage recipe cards and things that I have. These are Betty Crocker recipe cards. And I thought a lot of these, the colors and various things like that, would go really good in here. Because these I could just put down as a tuck spot and leave it that way. And then she could tuck her own recipe in there. So I have those. And then I have different other recipes that I'll probably pull some of these out of. I like the way that these are made, because I could just cut these out, maybe tuck them in some of those or something for her. But this one is cookies, and I have several of these, and these are copyright 2001. So they're, 24 years old. So this is the cookie one. This one, I'm not sure, because the cover is gone. But, okay, it's all soups. So these are soups. And then we have bars and brownies. Yep, these are all copyright 2001. So yeah, I thought these would be really fun to go in there. So I have those as vintage ephemera to go in there, make stuff with. And then I have this one here. This one, I don't think I saw a copyright date in this one. Let's see. Nope. No copyright date in this one. But yeah, I thought there would be some cute things, recipes and things to pull out of here, and they could just be folded. Easy chicken and dumplings. Now that's a good one. Homemade taco mix. Chicken a la king, favorite sloppy joes. Oh yeah, that's a lot of interesting things. A lot of things that we actually cook and eat ourselves. So this is cooking with love. Then I have the Healthy Family Cookbook. Well, starting off the bat, doesn't sound very appetizing. It says healthy. But anyway, let's see. This one is copyright, third printing, 1988. So this one, lemon cheese pie. That sounds good. A fruit pizza. Lemon cheesecake. High protein bread. Fish cakes. Oh yeah, not interested in that. Hobo dinner. Never heard of that. Let's see, what is that? Ground beef, evaporated milk, salt, pepper, potatoes, onions, cream of mushroom soup, and sharp cheese. I might do a hobo dinner. Never heard of that. I really need to actually read these. I never do, guys. And then we have the new Good Housekeeping Cookbook. Someone has some things written in here. And this one is copyright 1986. There's barbecue, meat, poultries. Look, we've got some newspaper clippings in there. Let's see. I was going to see if there was a date. It says Friday, but I don't see any more of a date than that. They just had this page marked. Chocolate buttermilk torty. Okay. That works. Something else here. This is from Lakeview United Methodist Church. Oh, that's cool. So somebody marked a page here. It's like how to prepare mango. And it looks like we have something else here. Sweet and sour chicken. I love sweet and sour chicken. But yeah, so I thought maybe some recipes out of here. Oh, look at those. Tropical fruit slush. Cool. Somebody liked to cook. So I have that one. And I've probably got some other things as well, guys. That I didn't really pull out. a whole lot of stuff yet. But yeah, so again, this is hashtag cooking up a journal, not journey, journal. I guess it is going to be a journey, isn't it? A journey on cooking up a journal. But yeah, this is hosted again by Jovi at Creating with Jovi and Sierra at Coulee Craft Corners. So if you guys want to participate, just hit the drop down box and run over, click on the links and run over and join her Facebook group and get the freebies. And then go to her Etsy shop and get this beautiful kit. I absolutely love it. I love the gingham. That's awesome. But yeah, oops, I got them upside down. But yeah, so run over there and get yourself these beautiful Cooking Up a Journal kit. And come and join us in February. All right, I love you guys. Thank you all so much for your support. And yeah, we'll see you guys. Thanks a lot. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.